XMaker is an AI-powered 3D printer with multi-functions, and it also supports various filaments. So in today's video, I'll show you how to load the filaments into the printer before you start printing, and how to remove the filaments in the case of switching between different filaments or replacing old ones with new ones. First, take out the end of the filament and use pliers to cut it into an oblique tip. Then put the spoil on the filament holder and insert the tip into the filament inlet by this gesture until the pre-feeder grabs the material. Go to Filament, Load, and wait for the nozzle to heat up. When the nozzle reaches target temperature, filament will be loaded automatically. When the filament outflows from the nozzle, loading is complete. To remove the material, go to Filament, Unload, and wait for the nozzle to heat up. When heating is done, the filament will be unloaded automatically. Then, gently pull out the filament by this gesture and remove the spoil from the holder. Okay, you have know how to load or reload the filaments. Also, you can change the filament during the printing process. Just press the pause button and follow the instructions on the touchscreen. Now, go and start your XMaker 3D printing journey.